In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open PowerPoint in safe mode. This is extremely useful if PowerPoint keeps crashing, freezing, failing to open, or behaving strangely because safe mode starts the program with only the essential features enabled. Let's get started. First, make sure PowerPoint is completely closed on your computer. If it's currently open or frozen, close it before moving to the next step. Now, locate the PowerPoint application on your computer. You can find it through the Start menu, desktop shortcut, or taskbar, depending on how your system is set up. Here's the important part. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold the Control key, click the PowerPoint icon to launch the application. Keep holding Control until a message appears asking, "Do you want to start PowerPoint in safe mode?" Click Yes. PowerPoint will now open in safe mode. You may notice the program looks slightly different or loads with fewer features. That's completely normal because safe mode disables add-ins, custom toolbars, certain startup settings, third-party extensions. This helps isolate problems that may be causing PowerPoint to malfunction. Once PowerPoint is open in safe mode, try opening your presentation file and see if the issue still happens. If PowerPoint works normally in safe mode, there's a good chance the problem is being caused by an add-in or customization. To investigate further, you can disable add-ins manually by clicking File, going to Options, selecting Add-ins, managing and disabling suspicious add-ins one at a time. Then restart PowerPoint normally to test the changes. There's also another quick way to open safe mode using the Run command. Press Windows plus R. Then type powerpnt/safe. After that, press Enter. PowerPoint will immediately launch in safe mode using the command shortcut. Using safe mode is one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot PowerPoint startup problems and identify issues without affecting your presentation files. And that's how you open PowerPoint in safe mode. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more PowerPoint troubleshooting tips and tutorials.